Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a cool site that helps you track where your images appear online. So you'll be able to see the exact site where the image is being used if it has been used. Now, this is a great tool to help you find out if anyone is using, which usually means stealing, your listing photos and anything else you would like to track online. So let's head over to my computer and see the site and see how it works. All right, so here we are on the actual site. It's called tineye.com. And I will leave the link right below the video in case you guys want to go ahead and start using it. And it's basically a reverse image search. So it searches by image and find where that image appears online. So what I'm going to be doing is using this picture. This is from one of my listings on my Etsy store. And I'm going to be using that listing to see if anyone else out there stole my image and let's say they're using it as their own to sell products, whether it's on Etsy or other stores. Now, I did try using the link and putting the URL link of this product here, but for some reason it didn't recognize it. So it might be something with Etsy. It might not just recognize the URL. So just keep that in mind that if you paste the URL and it doesn't work, you just upload the image and that should work. So what I did was I have the image right here on my actual desktop and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. So I'm going to upload it and it's right here. I did that right now. I'm going to go ahead and upload it to the site. And this is the picture that I uploaded. And it's going to show me where the image appears. So this is like a little PDF SEO guide that I sell on my store. And that particular image is from a website called Unsplash, where I grab free images to do like PDF little worksheets and stuff like that. So, and it's also sold on this website, bigstockphoto.com. So that's fine because my product, what I sell is actually the PDF, not the image. So that kind of works out for me. That makes me feel like there's no one else using this identical photo in their Etsy store or in Amazon or in their own website. That's the cool thing about this. It's going to give you all the different pages where it matches the exact product. So this is a best way to find images. I know a couple months ago I had done a video where you could go to Google and do like a quick search by doing a Google search image. That's another way. But I found that this was a lot faster and a lot easier. So I wanted to go ahead and share this tool with you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you use any other tools that help you find images if someone has, stolen from you before. Let me know below because I always love learning about new tools. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.